George Washington, 1732 to 1799. In 1794, Carlisle became the center of one of the first major tests of federal authority in the new United States. The Whiskey Rebellion began after a federal tax on whiskey, championed by Treasury Secretary Alexander Hamilton, angered farmers in western Pennsylvania, many of whom depended on whiskey as both income and trade. As protests grew increasingly violent, President George Washington called up a militia force of nearly 10,000 men to restore order. Hamilton helped organize Carlisle as a major staging point for this campaign because of its strategic location between eastern Pennsylvania and the frontier unrest. Washington arrived in Carlisle on October 4th and stayed for several days at the Ephraim Blaine house on South Hanover Street, a building that no longer stands today. During his visit, Washington spent time at the Carlisle Presbyterian Church and reviewed troops near the area of present-day Dickinson College and Bosler Library. Though local leaders formally welcomed him and strongly condemned the rebellion, Carlisle itself was not united in its views. The rebellion exposed tensions over taxation, federal power, and the authority of the new government, debates that echoed through taverns, homes, and public gatherings across the region. In response, Washington emphasized the importance of upholding the law and preserving order in the new nation. On October 11th, Washington and the militia departed Carlisle and marched west. For the young United States, the moment marked one of the first demonstrations that the federal government intended to enforce its laws. Stop by the Cumberland County Historical Society to learn more about this historical figure.